What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am back with another makeup video. In today's video, basically I'm going to be doing something I have not done before. Today I'm going to be trying to do this notebook paper makeup. I've seen it a lot on TikTok. I love this type of like creative makeup. I think it's so cute. And guys, I actually have the perfect palette to go along with this. Let me show you guys this. So I have this Athena painting palette, and I've seen it on TikTok, and basically what people do is they use it to do like colorful makeup looks on their face. I hope it works out because I'm really scared. A lot of times if you have darker skin and you put white paint on your face, you look ashy. And I'm not trying to look like that today. I'm basically just gonna gel down my eyebrows first so they don't move once I put everything on my face. Another thing I did is I put on some primer, and I'm just gonna take some on my brush, and then I'm gonna start painting it on my face. I'm like mentally preparing myself for this, okay? I'm just gonna do it. I don't even care. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. It doesn't look that bad. It actually looks pretty okay. It actually does not look so bad. It's looking good so far. I mean, I'm only done this side of my face, but so far so good.
What the?
What? Okay, hold on. So my mom just walked in and saw me like this. Valid response. Now I'm coming up to the part where I'm like covering my eyeballs. Oh my god, this is gonna get in my lashes. I look so scary. Oh my god. Sorry if I scared you guys. This might show up in your nightmares tonight. This is literally so weird. Like everywhere I look, like when I look down, I can see white. I've been trying to like make it a lot more smoother, and this is honestly the best I can do. For now, this is how I'm gonna keep it. Right now, I kind of want to like contour my nose. I'm just gonna use some gray shadow from this palette. Okay guys, now I kind of got a snatched nose going on. I'm honestly proud of myself. Like, this is like talent, and there's still white all over my hands. Next thing I'm gonna do is the blue line so we can really be looking like notebook paper. I have this tiny little brush. I'm gonna use this color right here and just draw the lines on my face. Okay, so that's not exactly straight, but it's okay. It's not supposed to be perfect. Kind of hard to like do it around my nose because number one, I don't want to mess up my beautiful nose contour, and number two, it's like hard to go around my nose. I'm trying though. This is what we have so far. It's looking good. I actually do kind of look like a lined piece of paper. Okay, this is the final line. We did all the lines, finally. That was very nerve-wracking. Let's go on and add the red stripe. So I'm supposed to add like a red stripe like right here. I'm gonna use this red right here. On one hand, I kind of look like Pennywise, but on the other hand, looks like I'm doing it right. The next thing I want to do is I want to add some little doodles because obviously I'm a piece of paper. I'm just gonna use this eyeliner. Maybe like I can do like a little smiley face. Let's see how it looks. Maybe we can add like a heart. Let's do a heart. What else should we write? Let's do like, let's see if I can draw a little flower. Now it's kind of a flower. Like, let me do just like an LOL or something on my head. Okay, I feel like we have room for like one or two more. So what else would I draw? Oh, you guys know like the S, like the super S. Okay, I'm gonna draw it right here. Okay, here's my wonky looking S. Like a star, that'll be cute. Now I'm gonna do the eyebrows. If I mess this up, I'm just gonna flip this table. I freaking did it. I'm so proud of myself. So now I'm just gonna like do some eyeliner. Okay, so I did some eyeliner, and for lashes, I'm just gonna use these lashes. So I just put on the lashes. Now it's time for my lips. And with that, we are done with this is honestly one of the best makeup looks I've ever done, if not the best. But this was so much fun. Oh my god. I honestly really want to start doing things like this a lot more because this looks so cool. Oh my god. I think that this turned out really well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.